Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Illustrator not responding, crashing, or freezing. First, you can check your Creative Cloud app and make sure that Adobe Illustrator is up to date, and if there is available updates, just download them and see if that solves your problem. The second step is to search for Task Manager. Let's open this up, and we are going to go through the list and end the task of any app running in the background that you won't use anymore because they would take up memory and other resources, leaving no room for Adobe Illustrator to use. So just for example, I saw an app like that. Just right click on it and click on End Task, and after you have done that, see if that helps solve your problem. The next step will be to search for Adobe Illustrator, and before we open it, we hold Ctrl Shift Alt on our keyboard. So keep holding that in until you click it and while it is still loading and opening. So once it opened, doing that resetted our preferences, which can help resolve the problem and get rid of the corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Once it is open, let's click on the Window tab at the top, go to Workspace, and if it is available, you can click on Reset right here. And let's close the Adobe Illustrator app. And you can then go ahead and open your Creative Cloud app and uninstall any beta version of the apps of Adobe and restart Adobe Illustrator and see that your problem has now been solved. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.